Drum roll, please. No drum roll? Alright, fine. Just turn it to color then. Hey guys, it's Zia. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Ernie is hiding off camera, but he's going to be helping me today because we're dyeing my hair. It's time to say goodbye to this, which is just a combination of a bunch of other dyes that I've had over the last year or so. Today I'm going to be using Manic Panic's Infrared. I've actually never used Manic Panic, which is surprising because of how long I've been dyeing my hair all these fun colors. So yeah, let's just get started. So I'm just going to separate it for you. Okay. So that every time you're done with a section, just drop down another one. Okay. I already got dye on my hands from opening the package, so that was fun.
Hey, so it begins.
Cold.
Yeah. What's sitting in the tile bathroom?
Ernie's actually bleached my hair before, so this isn't his first time.
Not my first rodeo, but it is very different compared to the bleach.
Oh yeah, so I have like 2.5 of these in a bowl. Each of these, I think, 4 ounces? So 4 ounces in each one, so I'm using at least 8 ounces, maybe 10 ounces altogether. If my hair was this normal length, I would definitely use 4 of these completely. But I have one that I haven't opened yet, and then the 3 other ones that I have already. This is going to be for later when I need to do touch-ups.
Sorry, there was an accident. So how's this gonna do on black? Because it's not really doing anything.
Oh well, it might not cover up the black, but I just want to make sure that any like lighter tones in the black get covered.
Okay. As soon as I put in the black,
yeah,
I can't tell if I've done it.
It's okay.
It doesn't even look like it has it.
It's like this whole section that's not covered at all.
I haven't worked up there yet.
Why are you rubbing it all together then if you haven't done it?
I'm doing the bottom and I'm working my way up. Why?
I'm just saying. I thought this is what you were doing the whole time, was working all the way up and then doing all the front.
No! I'm going over every layer because there's 10 layers.
You have to go over every layer again and again.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. If you already got it covered, why are you going over it again?
Because I still find light spots. After you point out, oh, light spots doesn't look bad. Well, I'm trying. Give me a French fry. Oh,
don't have it.
Turn this way. There. You got ketchup on your face.
You got ketchup on your face and your fingers. Don't eat that.
Give me French fries. No. Look at it.
I'm wondering how bad it would be if you eat this.
Oh, it'd probably kill me. There you go. There, that spot you're talking about. Oh, now it's all covered. What the f?
That's what happens when you touch stuff.
It's on your clothes.
You put it there.
It got there.
Alright guys, my hair is completely covered with dye. I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour. I've been working on cleaning the dye off of the majority of my face because it got a little messy at the end and on my neck. And I don't know how much is left back there, but I think it could be better. But it's gonna wash off in the shower anyway, so no worries. And yeah, I'm only leaving it for an hour because Ernie and I have more things to do today that require us to leave the house. So we're just going to leave it for a shorter amount of time than I usually would. I would usually do at least 2 or 3 hours, but this is fine. Manic Panic says you only have to leave it in for half an hour anyway. I just always, whenever I dye my hair with a direct dye, I leave it in for like a lot of extra time because it makes me feel better. So just gonna leave this in for an hour and I'll show you guys what it looks like at then. Drum roll, please. No drum roll. All right, fine. Just turn it to color then. Hello. I love it. I always love having red hair. I'm really happy with the results. I think Ernie did a great job. He's not home right now, he is at work. My shower looked like a murder scene, but that's to be expected when you use a red direct dye. It's still kind of orange even though we bleached it, so I'm gonna have to bleach it again and just let the bleach sit on there like all day. I'm really digging this hair color. I'm digging it. I'm bringing up archaic lingo. That's how much I love this color. I really want to go red because like Valentine's Day and stuff, I thought it'd be cute. Manic Panic so far is really good. Everybody knows Manic Panic. It's been a brand around since I want to say the 80s. Obviously, a lot of people have used Manic Panic. I'm just one of those people who didn't until now. Nothing wrong with it, nothing wrong with it at all, except I don't like the packaging as much. However, they do have the Manic Panic amplified colors which come in a bottle instead of the little tub. I don't like the little thing as much because it was hard to open the thing and then I got stuff all over my hands, you know what I mean? The little film on top. But that's just me nitpicking. If I had worn gloves to begin with, it wouldn't be an issue. New hair color, yay! Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!